Hey, what's up guys? CA Tejas Suchak here. A very important announcement for the Group 2 students. Starting tomorrow, that is 10th of March, there is a slight change in the timetable. For accounts basically on YouTube. So on YouTube, I will be coming live at 2 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So on the first 4 days of the week, I will be coming live at 2 p.m. and Friday and Saturday, I will be coming live on YouTube at 8 p.m. in the evening. So yes, this is the change in the timetable. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I will be coming live at 2 p.m. for advanced accounting on the Unacademy CA Intermediate Group 2 channel. And on Friday and Saturday, I will be coming live at what time? Friday and Saturday, I will be coming live at 8 p.m. And this is starting when? This is starting 10th of March, right? So this is the announcement. Everybody make that change in the schedules and see you all from 10th of March at 2 p.m. live on the Unacademy CA Intermediate Group 2 channel. Thank you so much, guys.